Hello everybody, welcome back to Jerfish Entertainment. We're doing some RC bashing in the eRevo 2.0 brushless by Traxxas today. Things went very well at first with just doing a little bit of jumping in a new spot I found in my yard for doing those kinds of things. Then the cartwheels started. And then the long cartwheel happened. And then it was time to start the repairs part of the day.
So the first thing I had to do was fix this drive shaft. The drive cup is a little bit stripped out from a prior injury. I'm eventually going to have to replace it. Just remove this set screw, pop the drive cup out, pop the drive shaft into the drive cup, and then snap it back into place on the axle assembly. Then it's just a matter of tightening the set screw and you are ready to go. Oil from that shock. And this shock, it's not even connected anymore. Shock repair wasn't too bad. First remove the shock assembly and the broken shock itself. Decrease the tension on that tensioner so that you can make an attempt at screwing the eye back onto the end of the shock. I don't know how long that's going to last because the plastic is likely a little bit stripped out at this point. Then it's a matter of lining the shock back up with the eye into the assembly. After I screwed that back in, I saw the other shock pretty much had no oil at all left in it, so I tightened the preload tensioner down so that at least had some kind of suspension support. Put the support back together and screwed it all in.
After repairs were complete, we're ready to go back out again. All told, a couple of problems here. Nothing that can't be fixed though, and that just gives me more of an opportunity to tear it down after I break it and learn how to put it back together. Thanks for tuning in. If you like what you see, hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you another time.